In this video, we are going to learn a little bit about Google Chrome bookmarks. So let's begin. Supposing you have some website which you frequently use. Supposing IT online. If you want to bookmark this, what you have to do is just click on this bookmark. Now comes the question how you should arrange that. So here you have the option of choosing another folder. So what you can do about is click on this tab, choose another folder. On bookmark bar you have created another folder called website. So you go here, you create new folder. I have created this folder as website. So under website you can again create another folder, such as supposing it is a website which is useful for direct accession. Okay, so this is the folder you have selected. Now you have clicked on save. So now this bookmark is saved. So here my whole bookmark bar is here. So on bookmark bar I have created website folder. On website folder I have created this direct accession folder. I can just click on it and I can drag it upwards. I can bring this shortcuts here. I have another folders, so I want to keep folders on the upside. Supposing it is for teachers, management, Zoho, these are tools, so I want to bring it there. Books, I'll bring it there. Regulators, I will bring it here. So all my folders under the website folder is there. So website is having different sort of categories: CA, learning, MBA, direct accession, management, teachers, tools, books, regulators, etc. Supposing you want to go to SEBI website, so this is a like regulators website. So you can click on this. You can click on choose another bookmark. On under the website you go to regulators. So this is it. So now you have created this folder under which regulator is there. So SEBI bookmark is there. So whenever you go, whenever you want to go to SEBI website, you don't need to type it here. You just have to go to website and regulator SEBI. One interesting thing is whenever you sign into Chrome by going to settings, and here it will give you a option of signing. So when you sign in, your all bookmarks which are created in your other laptop or computer where you are using Chrome and where you have created all these bookmarks, it will automatically come to another computer wherever you log in your Chrome with this ID, the same ID. So this bookmarks will come here, these apps will come here, these apps will come here. So everything is synced. So that is the advantage of using bookmark Chrome's for Chrome bookmarks and syncing it with Chrome. Thank you so much.